Welcome to Guess the Recipe, where cooking is a mystery and the fun is in the guessing. Here at our show, we turn cooking into a fun guessing game. Imagine the excitement of not just cooking but also trying to guess what the final dish will be. Can you figure out what it is before the big reveal? The challenge is on. Pay close attention to the techniques and ingredients used. Join us in this culinary adventure. Happy guessing. Along the way, you'll get hints, ingredient facts, and fascinating tidbits about the origins of these spices. Each spice has a story, a history that adds depth to your culinary creations. Imagine the journey of cinnamon from the bark of a tree to your kitchen, or the vibrant journey of turmeric from the fields to your spice rack. You'll also discover techniques that can elevate your cooking, like the perfect way to melt butter without burning it, or how to dice vegetables quickly and efficiently, and maybe even a trick or two to keep you on your toes, ensuring your dishes are always a step above the rest. Think you've got what it takes to guess before the final reveal? Will you solve the flavor puzzle? Subscribe and turn on notifications to join the fun. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest culinary adventures and exciting recipes. Hit that notification bell so you're always the first to know when we upload new content. Every recipe is an adventure, a journey through flavors and techniques that will elevate your cooking skills. From chopping fresh vegetables to adding the perfect blend of spices, each step is a crucial part of the process, and every guess brings you closer to the kitchen mystery. As you taste and experiment, you'll uncover the secrets behind each dish, making every meal a delightful surprise. Join us and become a part of this flavorful journey. See you in the next mystery. Let's get cooking.